CRESS is a fast-growing company in ultra-modern refractory technology, and our services meet the highest international standards in terms of knowledge, health and safety. CRESS was founded in 2008 by Wim Boschart with over 15 years' experience in industries where fire and heat are protagonists. Fire and heat are, in waste incineration, petrochemical and metallurgical industries, crucial factors that turn raw materials into products. CRESS provides optimization of thermal processes by applying refractory, insulation materials and innovative techniques. Fire is light, but also heat generation. The art to tame and understand fire made CRESS a global provider with up-to-date knowledge in this field. Striving for better emissions control, reduced energy consumption, and a prolongation of the refractory life expectancies starts with building better furnace installations. New refractory concretes, bricks, and insulation ensure high-performance installations which we export all over the world. Our high-emissive nanoparticle coatings, which are also used in the space program, are extremely heat-resistant, provide more capacity, a lower power consumption, extended life of the refractory, and less harmful emissions. Safer, healthier, and more environmentally friendly are priorities for CRESS, and we are constantly looking for better materials, better installation techniques, and safer working procedures. Refractory technology is not without skill. In industrial furnaces, temperatures higher than 1,000 degrees Celsius are common. The quality of the refractory, the precision with which the refractory is installed, defines the duration of the installation. Precision is essential for the optimal operation and control of these processes. And from our headquarters in Breskens, CRESS is helping to create the refractory and application technologies of the future.